Hello my dear students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you ICT relevant to your grade 7 textbook. So, what is the first lesson in your textbook? That is called Central Processing Unit. So here we'll see what are the areas related to Central Processing Unit. First one, introduction of CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Second one, components of the CPU. Third one, evolution of CPU. Fourth one, speed of the CPU. In this video, you can learn introduction of CPU and components of the CPU. I hope to teach you in this lesson very easily and clearly, so anyone can understand easily. Let's go to the lesson. First one, introduction of Central Processing Unit. Look at this image. There are two boys. Let's start. Have you seen the Central Processing Unit? Yes, I have. What is the Central Processing Unit? Where is it located? CPU can't be observed from the outside. Okay, student. CPU can't be observed from the outside. Okay, next one. As a chip prepares food, the central processing processes data in the computer and converts them into information. As the food preparation speed depends on the speed of the chip, the speed of the computer depends on the speed of the central processing unit. A dual-core processor is like having a kitchen with two chefs preparing two meals, so two things can be prepared at the same time. Let's identify the Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, can be identified as a digital circuit that processes data according to given instructions. Let's identify the Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, can be identified as a digital circuit that processes data according to given instructions. Whatever task performed by the computer in all such instances, the Central Processing Unit runs in the background. The main function of the processor is to execute instructions stored in a computer program. That is, it gets data and processes them according to given instructions. Look at this image. Input, process, and output. While the Central Processing Unit can't be observed from the outside, it is positioned on the motherboard inside the system unit. Let's learn about components of the Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit consists of three main components: ALU, CU, and memory register. ALU means arithmetic and logical unit. CU means control unit. First one, arithmetic and logical unit. Mathematical and logical functions are performed in the arithmetic and logical unit. The function of this unit can be further divided into two main sub-functions. First one, mathematical function, and the second one, logical functions. Control unit. The control unit communicates between, manipulates and controls the hardware connected to the computer. It also performs tasks such as controlling input and output data, ensuring that data is sent to right place at the right time, and being alert whether relevant signals are successfully received. Third one, memory register. It temporarily stores data and instructions that are being used by the central processing unit. The storage capacity of the memory registers is very low when compared with other memory devices like hard disk. However, its data access speed is very high. Okay, let's go to the activity. Test 1. What is meant by the term CPU? Answer: A. Operating system, B. Central processing unit, C. Application software, D. Arithmetic and logical unit. Question number 2. What is central processing unit? Question number 3. Name the main parts of central processing unit and briefly describe the function of those. Okay, loving students, see you again next day. Goodbye.